Cyclone Andre strengthening in this tropical HypoEarth weather. What the hell am I doing? I've been out of practice for a little while, clearly. Oh! It's the HypoEarth weather bulletin for January the 11th. So here we are with Andre strengthening, and for some reason he's very crooked over there in the South Indian Ocean. The third storm to form so far this year in the wide water tropics. And at the bottom bar you can see there, are we seeing loop-a-loop? It's one of my best. 141 days until Atlantic hurricane season. No areas of interest. I'd like to also point out that January the 11th marks 15 years since my first ever professional production wasn't Force 13 related. Just want to get that in. Oh, a roll of toilet paper going by? Could that be a flying toilet reference? I think it is. Ethan Pacific, nothing going on for another 124 days, hopefully, at least. Westpac, no areas of interest. That's good. And we're not expecting any, although one or two suggesting when will that Northern Hemisphere system first start up and where will it be? Question mark. But it's not today. South Pacific, there is a 20% chance that we've issued, not far from the international date line, close to Tonga, actually. So that's something that we could be looking at in the next few days. And of course we've got Andre in the Southwest Indian Ocean. It's still in the southwestern area, not quite in the Australian AOR yet. And if you're wondering what's happened to it in the last few days, of course we've had an absence for quite a while. It was only strengthening very slowly for a good while. It was struggling with wind shear for the first few days. It reached an initial peak of 65 miles per hour, then it lost it, and now it's come back up and is currently rapidly intensifying at 90 mile per hour winds. It's 1,307 kilometers from the Cocos Islands, 2252 from Christmas Island, 2284 from Isle Amsterdam, 2848 from Exmouth, Western Australia, and 3241 from Perth. This is a HypoEarth storm, which means that it isn't real for those who are wondering. Satellite imagery, like a radioactive guinea pig there, and here is the imagery right now of that storm. Andre, almost forgot the name of it, currently moving slowly southwards and is uncertain on its future movement right now, but hopefully it should remain out to sea. We also wanted to show you the tracks of Asaga. That storm died out beyond the international date line. We couldn't get the other side of it there, so we just put it on the date line. That was Blair, the other image there, which really didn't last very long at all. Sea surface temperatures are probably a little bit different to this now. There's been some upwelling, but here it is in the Southwest Indian, 26 degrees Celsius still for Andre, which has got the wrong icon. Do I want to update it? No, I couldn't be bothered. As Christian once said in an update, yada! There it is. The next storm in the Atlantic, the first one of the year, will be Adam. In the Eastern Pacific, Annabelle, and in the Central Pacific, Anacone. In the Western Pacific, as I look at my ass, automated streaming service, the next name is Sandan, the North Indian Ocean is Dima. Are you looking at my ass right now? And moving on to the Southern Hemisphere, the next name in Australia is Ashley, Southwest Indian Ocean, Bosidi, and in the South Pacific, it's Cam. I'm still giggling there at the fantastic David impression that I did at the very start of this update. Goodbye.